Hey guys! If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Mel. Please go ahead, head down below and hit that subscribe button. So welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so that I know to continue making content just like this one. If you are new here, this is part 2, show choir competition bag. If you didn't watch it before, go ahead and head over to my first video on this about what is in my show choir competition bag. It looks like I'm wearing the exact same clothes. It's because I am, because I recorded this all at the same time. Hashtag getting it all done. Hashtag doing it right. In this video, we are going to be discussing what I have in my competition makeup bags. I have multiple bags that I kind of went over in my first video about what I would keep in like my bigger competition bag. If you're tuning in from the first video, let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first things that I would have in my makeup bag is honestly things that don't fit. So things I would have loose in my competition bag would be like really big makeup palettes that I would use for whatever look that I was trying to do for my competition look. I have these 2 palettes that are going to be featured in my next video for my next show choir look. If I had big palettes that wouldn't fit in my makeup bag, I would kind of just set them loose in there so that I could have them for the look that I was doing, whatever that look may have been. So the next thing that I would definitely keep in my bag are 2 different makeup removers. One is going to be my Pond's cream, some makeup wipes, because whatever this can't get off, this can definitely get off. I wanted to take all my makeup off, so these 2 were definitely very beneficial in getting all of that heavy stage makeup off. So in one of my bags that I would have multiple bags. One of the bags I would keep all of my makeup brushes. I tried to always bring tools that were multi-purpose tools because I didn't want to carry around a whole, like I have a ton of makeup brushes. I have more than what I had when I was in high school, but I definitely didn't want to have to walk around carrying 50 different brushes. So I always tried to bring brushes that I could use for multiple things on my face, and different kinds of sponges, different tools that I could use to get look that I needed to get for my show, as well as making sure I'm carrying as little as possible. All of the face products I'm going to need. Always need to make sure you have an eyeshadow base as well as a primer for the whole entire face. My skin shapeshifter palette as well, which we are going to be using both the bronzer, the setting powder, and the highlighter from for my next look. The eyes, then we are going to the colors from the Kat Von D Metal palette. Some other colors here, which I have Birthday Cake from ColourPop, as well as some eyeliner. I have 2 different eyeliners. I have a regular black eyeliner as well as a cream peach eyeliner. Is going to be my Maybelline Dream Velvet Mousse foundation, my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer, Maybelline mineral powder to set everything, my Too Faced, this is Sparkling Bellini Peach Blush that I'm going to be using. Another thing that I would recommend bringing are eyelashes, eyelash glue. You can't forget your eyelash curlers and some tweezers. Things that are so also important are mascara for completing the eye look, Q-tips for in case you mess up your eye look. You gotta use some of that Pond's cream to clean up any of the edges or anything like that. The lip, we are going to be doing a peach lip for the look. We always want to make sure that we hydrate our lips first by having some kind of lip balm. So in this case, I'm going to be using my EOS balm. The things that I would have in my makeup bag and in my brush bag. So those are things that I'm going to be featuring in my next makeup tutorial. Stay tuned for that because that is going to be That is going to be a very exciting and fun look that I'm going to be doing. Well, please stay tuned for that. That is everything, like I said, that I would keep in my competition makeup bag. I definitely want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you didn't check it out already, go ahead and check out my first video on how I would pack my competition bag. And the link for that will be down below, as well as a list of all of the products that I mentioned. And stay tuned on how I'm going to be using them in my next show choir look. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.